Hi guys, what is up and welcome back to my YouTube. It's your girl Jaji here, and I know you're probably wondering why the hell am I sitting in front of the camera looking crazy like the top of a damn pineapple. But the reason why my hair is looking like this is because I'm about to lay it down with this bad bitch. So if you guys would like to see that, then already started by slicking down my hair. If you have short hair, then you can easily do this method. I just brush out my curls, put a whole damn bottle of gel and matte hairspray, and just grab one of these and flatten it down. And in the back, can't really show you, but in the back I do like get a little braid and pin it up and try to get it as flat as I possibly can. So this is what it looks like underneath my wig. All right, now what I do is I grab a wig cap. You could get this from Sally's, your local beauty store, and this is what the brand looks like. They're like $1, $2 depending on where you go. So I just grab the wig cap and so now what I like to do is like that bald cap type of method where you basically stick this to your head. Yeah, that's what I like to do. I do like to pull on it so I can get a good amount, because sometimes if you have this too far back and you go to cut, then you'll end up showing your hairline. It'll end up like, oh fuck, you'll end up rolling it up. This shit ends up rolling up and then whatever. Yeah. So now we just spray those. Ow! Ow! Be careful when you're cutting the ear out, because I just stabbed myself. So do that so that it could stick nicely. Don't be afraid. Go in. So, oof, damn. All right. So you could either grab a blow dryer. If you are in a rush and want to speed the process, you can either grab a blow dryer and just dry this up, or if you're not in a rush, then you could just let this air dry, which that is exactly what I am going to do. Right back to show you guys the rest of the steps. Alright guys, I'm back. Our little bald cap is all dry. So while it was drying, you will notice some spots that maybe you missed or didn't have enough, and you could always go through and add some more. So what I'm gonna do now is cut it up to, like, you see how you can see my hair right there? So I'm gonna cut it right in front of that to make sure that my hair doesn't peek through. So I'm gonna start. Take your time, don't rush. Do not rush, because you don't want to end up cutting too much and then regret. Now that we have it like this, it's time to put the gel. So I just put it in the back of my hand, and I use my finger and start putting it. This is also what's going to stick your wig down, so be mindful of that. But it's also going to melt that in. You see how that's like, see the difference with that and that? Yeah. So that's what this is gonna do. Melt it right in. Now we're gonna let that dry, and again you can do with a blow dryer and have it dry quicker, or you can just let it air dry. I'm just gonna let it air dry. You see the difference with this side and this side. You see it's melted in, and this side is, you can see the lift there. So yeah, we're gonna let this dry, and then we're gonna start gluing this bad bitch down. Well, gelling this bad bitch down. Okay, so now it's dried down nice and tacky. Can you see that? Alright, that's what we want. So we're going to grab her and start to place her on my head. I actually custom colored this myself. Yeah, you see? Isn't she pretty? Make sure you tighten the wig because sometimes, you know, it doesn't always fit your head. So it has the straps in here, whatever, they're in there. And just tighten it. So, I'm gonna put it on. Alright, and we're gonna align it up. So with the comb, and be gentle. I know it probably doesn't look like I'm being gentle, but I am. Just pull it. How you want it. Okay, so I forgot something. Start over. Fuck, of course. I gotta put bronzer in this bitch because we don't want no white as a paper hairline. Alright, cool. So we did that. Now let's try this again. Oh shit. Okay. So again, grab it from here so that none of the hair gets tucked in while you're pulling it to the front. And I mean, at this point, my gel is probably already dry, but we're still gonna do this. Go back the hair to be able to see. Oh, right. So you see, I just pulled that down where I wanted it, and yeah, make sure it's straight. And we're gonna do exactly what we did on this side with the gel to this side. So we're gonna let that dry. Again, you can use the blow dryer if you want to speed this up, or you can just let it air dry. Whatever you like. Now this side is nice and tacky, so we're gonna start laying this side down. So here, just grab the brush and lay it down. This side was a little more wet than the other side. So you notice it's melting down way better than you kind of see it right now. Ooh. Shit, I need some music or something, but last video I put in with some music, I got freaking demonetized before I could even monetize. Like, that shit's crazy, so. I can't jam in my videos. Alright, just a light layer, and you see how it's melting down. Light layer to melt that down. Sorry if my view is weird, but I'm trying to see in the mirror and I need glasses, so I can't really use that, the screen or whatever, to see myself because I'm blind. Pretty laid. Again, we're gonna go with the rat tail comb. So you see, you're kind of just gonna look around and see the areas that still look a little lifted or aren't melted in as nice as you would want them to be. And you just add more gel if it's necessary. If not, then just flatten it down with the comb. Most of the time you could just flatten it down with the comb and that normally works. But if the area dried up and it's just not sticking, then you just add a little bit more of that gel and flatten it down and let it dry. And just by me pressing it down, this kind of makes little baby hairs. I don't like that exaggerated baby hair look, so this kind of like naturally gives me a little baby hair look when I start pushing those down. Right, but it is laid, honey. So what I'm doing now is just pulling it from the back, making sure it's nice and snug. And the more you pull it, the flatter it gets to your head. See that? Beetlejuice vibes, alien vibes, extraterrestrial vibes. I love this. definitely a color that when you put on, you're like, whoa. But you add some makeup, some lashes, and girl, you're gonna be feeling out of this world, literally. Ooh, I'm hungry. I need to get something to eat after this. Jeez. Christmas tree. Yes, looking like $1 million motherfucking bucks, bitch. Okay. Ooh, are we lifting? Oh, we lifting a little bit. Okay, so as you can see here, we're lifting a little bit. No, girl. We ain't gonna be lifting nowhere. This wig is growing out your head. Okay? Growing out of your head. You want to confuse people when you wear this. Got it. Gotcha, bitch. You thought you wasn't gonna lay down for me. So how many of you ladies are into like these colors and all these fun little wigs? Let me know down below. We are semi-laid, and what we're gonna do is we are going to flat iron the wig. So I don't gotta tell y'all how to do this. I'm pretty sure y'all wanna how to flat iron your hair. So yeah, just like you normally would. Flat ironing it, how nice it looks, shiny, smooth. It ain't stiff, bitch. Stiff wear. Not around here. So look at me, really slaying this like I'm going somewhere. It's nicer, straight. But you see the difference? How when you flat iron it and everything, like it's already starting to look more and more natural, and it takes a little getting used to. But then after you're like, this is kind of cute. I can rock this. But I'm just trying to convince you to rock green hair. So I'm just trying to say, if you can't rock it normally, try it with makeup. It might make a difference. Now be very careful with the hot comb, because as you can see, it's not like a flat iron where you could, touch it up here or whatever. No, this is hot all the way. You don't want to put your hands here, anywhere else. Yes, this is going to be your best friend when you get a wig. Any wig. Not synthetic. You don't want this shit to fucking melt on your comb. But any wig that can take heat, this is gonna be your best friend. This is what's gonna make your wig fucking lay on your head. This bitch is gonna like take you from fucking a 5 to a 10. Okay? Exhibit A. Okay, right here you can see the difference. You see how that's kind of like still bulky, and you see how flat this side is? She did that. She did that. So I'm telling you, this will make your wig look super natural. Go and get you one. Laid. Let's lay this shit down. Always don't touch the pan. It is hot. You will burn yourself, and you will regret it, and you will remember me. And for any little flyaways, you can just grab some mousse and lay them down. And this is the finished look. This is her. Laid, honey. Laid. See? So that is how I slay my wigs. I hope you guys enjoyed, or at least learned from the video. And I try to make it as easy as possible. You follow my steps, I promise you should be good. And you should be slayed. Like this. So, see you soon. Bye-bye.